Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok account switch to business account. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, open your mobile phone Play Store and App Store and tap on search bar and search TikTok app. Make sure that your TikTok app is updated. If not updated, first of all, update your TikTok app. And after this, go back. Now tap on TikTok app. Click on profile. Click on the right corner, three lines, and click on setting and privacy. Now click on accounts, click on switch to business account. Now tap on next and click on next and click on next and click on next and select any option and tap on next. After doing all this step, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comments and share.